What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, we're just going to be doing a very quick one. How do we reduce the size of our video depending on no matter how long it is? So, I'm going to be making use of this 28 minutes video that I worked on. So, this is my timeline, and yes, so this Adobe Premiere Pro, of course. And then, so let's say we want to export this video. So we have to click here, click on export. So we'll just want to find out the original size of it. Okay, so from down here we are seeing that it is 4 gig, and then when we come to our presets, we're seeing high quality 1080p. That's high definition. So if you leave it on this high quality part, you're going to be having 4 gig. But then if you don't have space, or you don't have you're trying to conserve space, you're trying to reduce the size without affecting the quality of the video, you have to come here and click on match source. So when you click on it, we're seeing 8 gig here. So it's as if we moved from 4 gig to 8 gig. So this 8 gig, we have to reduce it. So mind you, for you to still be able to retain the quality of the video you're trying to export, you have to make sure that you shot in 4K, because if you shoot in a different resolution, if you do this, it may not really work. I have not tried that, but this video was shot in 4K. So even if we want to reduce the quality, as far as the original video was shot in 4K, it's still going to maintain the same quality. So removing it from this 1080 here and leaving it to match source. Match source means it is going to still have the 4K quality whether you reduce the size or not. All right, let's go to reducing the size, and here we have 8 gig. So we go to our videos over here, then we click on more. Make sure to click on render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. These two things are going to make sure that the quality of your video remains the same despite reducing the size of it. So come down here. For you to reduce the size, this is where you do it. Of course, you should be exporting in VBR 1 pass or 2, but 1 is preferable. So for you to reduce it, you're going to focus on your target bitrate. So when you drag this from 30 something or 35, you take it down to 14. You see, we had 8 gig, and what we're having here now is 3 gig. Remember, what we had initially at the 1080 HD was 4 gig. So if we move it down further, the further down we move it, the more it reduces the size. So what you're seeing now is like 1600, that is 1600, that is 1.6 gig. So you can still reduce it, but it's advisable not to cross below 5 for the target bitrate. For some reasons, it's advisable not to. So what we have here is now 1 gig, 1.2 gig. So you can now see that we moved from 4 gig to 1.2 gig. We moved from 8 gig, where it was initially from custom here, to 1.2 gig. So you have successfully reduced the size of the video you're working on, and also retaining the quality. So when you click send to media encoder, is for you to send it on export, or you click export directly, you're going to see that the quality of your video did not drop at all. So that's it, by the way. Next time, see you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.